Here is how to create a WhatsApp account. First of all, you need to go ahead and download and install the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device. But as I already have my WhatsApp account, I'm going to show you the exact same steps on WhatsApp Business. Go ahead, download the app and tap on Agree and Continue from the bottom. Then enter your phone number and your country along with your country code. Then tap on Next. Tap on Yes to confirm. Then you need to verify your account. You have different options to verify. The first one we have is to automatically verify with a missed call on your phone number. And you can also go ahead and verify it other way. Go ahead, tap on verify another way, and you'll get three different options, which is missed call and receive SMS, which you need to copy and paste it over here, or a voice call. You need to go ahead and provide the code and you'll be able to log in with your account. Let's go ahead and select missed call and then tap on continue, tap on allow, and WhatsApp will request your call for the verification. And once it is verified, WhatsApp will ask to access your contacts, and you can also allow that and set up your profile by entering your name and adding a profile picture. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.